then I might post it. See that? See how everybody just waves at you? Why can't people be so friendly with each other all the time instead of being mean? I think I'm gonna make a left turn up here on Julie Drive, then go on Kieler Drive downward, make a right on it, then go back up on Little Bell, all the way up to a stop sign. How you doing, sir? Go on Julie Drive. All the way down to that Little Bell, I mean. I hear a car behind me. See, these people are not supposed to go that fast. One day I'm just going to record them. Let them know. I don't care. They show there's only 20 miles an hour through this here street. And people want to do 30 at least. You know, I can see maybe them trying to go over a little bit. But we got kids running around up here a lot of times. And what happens when those kids get hurt? I keep in my car when I'm driving on these streets, I only do about 20 miles an hour. I might go a mile or two over, but that's the way it is. I won't drive like a bat out of hell, I tell you that. Okay, we're going to go all the way down to the stop sign, like I said. Then I think I'm going to call it quits. Get back home and call it quits. And see how these videos went. I think I'm going to make a right up here. It's called Wood Terrace Road. And if there ain't no cars behind me, I'm just going to make a U-E. I didn't see no cars behind me. Here, I'm going to make a U-E real quick. He didn't do it. He said, "The heck with you, tricycle rider. I ain't gonna do that for you."